Good evening, you two. How are you? It's evening now. I'm in New York. I just wanted to show you what I purchased. I purchased the Gole 2 Pro. It's a mini PC touchscreen. It came pretty quick. I ordered it when I ordered 3 days ago. When it came in quick because I ordered for Express. I have I have looked at reviews at YouTube about it, but I wanted to try it myself. I wanted to use emulation on it and check it out to see how it performs. I hope it performs pretty good. I know some of them didn't perform like it's supposed to, like they say. Here's the box. Let me see if I take it out. You gotta forgive me. I'm doing it with one hand. That's the model. I guess the model number or something. So. Here it is. Here's the computer. And I did ask for it for metal because plastic, there was two kinds of plastic and metal, and this is metal, which is much better. Sorry, it's real difficult for me. There you go. The golly. What do we got here in the front? We have HDMI. Put it real right, correct. Okay, we got on and off switch, Type C, HD. I should say HDMI. I don't know why it says HD, but HD, USB 3.0, two of them. You got a LAN port, and you have a DC 12 volt in. And here you have headphone jack, USB 3.0, two of them, and a micro USB, slot. Nothing in the bottom. It's a vent. On the side, nothing, vents. And then you have the back. And I'm gonna see if it has any juice. I doubt it, but let me try it. No juice. So I'm gonna have to charge it, but I'm gonna show you what else I have in the box. Okay, you got here. You have the adapter, the power strip, the power adapter. And what do you have here? That's it. Just the power. That's it. And the manual. So let me put this away. So guys, I just wanted to show you what I bought, and later on I'll make another video and hands-on. But this is how it is. This is what gole is too. I'm gonna try it out, and the next one I'll take another video. Thank you guys.